Greetings friends. Today we're going to learn about a free service that allows us to host our website under development on a temporary server for about 8 hours. This is an extremely useful tool as we can show our work to our employer or to someone who can critique it without using an actual server. This is especially useful if we don't have the budget for an actual server. So now let's test it. For this I'll be using a project I made earlier about space travel agency. For, let's first see how it's working on the local server. For this I simply ran the run server command and opened my Chrome browser. On the local host I can see that the website is working just as it was intended. Now let's bring this website to an Ngrock server. For this I'll first need to download Ngrock. The Ngrock can be used in any operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I will use the Windows version itself. Ngrock is very small in size and thus can be downloaded in a few seconds. When the download is complete, open the zip file and then copy this exe command and paste it in any folder of your choosing. Then open the command prompt and then use the following command. Here I am using 8000 because my local server is using this port. To see what port your website is using, you can see the number that is after the colon. Here I can see that this website will be hosting my local host. So I will simply copy it and then add it in the allowed hosts and then save it. Now I will open this website and see how it works. As we can see that the website is working as it was intended. Now the question arises if the admin panel is working. Since this is simply redirecting us to our local server, the admin will be working perfectly. So that's all for now. Thank you.